Hi, welcome back guys. In this video, we will see the recipe of mint potato. So let's begin. First of all, put oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon jeera in the oil. Then add 1 tablespoon dry coriander, along with mustard seeds. Then put the boiled potatoes in oil. Add fresh mint leaves in the pan. Further put 1 tablespoon garam masala and 1 tablespoon haldi, along with 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt. Sauté it for a while. After a while, add hing powder to the potatoes. Then add some amchur powder to the potatoes. Finally, on top of it you can add some more mint leaves and serve it. For better taste you can add some magic masala to the potatoes. And finally you can enjoy the yummy mint potatoes.